Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am dipping back into my Family Dollar stash of makeup that I have to try out. So this is the LA Colors Lip Oil, and this is the new version that is infused with gold, which is really cool. You can actually see little flecks of like gold foil in the product here. So like I said, I picked this up from Family Dollar and it cost $2, but I love LA Colors. If you're familiar with me and my channel, you have seen literally hundreds of LA Colors products as part of this series because it's truly one of my favorite makeup brands, and I just love to find inexpensive but amazing products, and I have found so many like that from LA Colors. I also really love lip oils because I have very dry chapped lips and I want my lip products to actually get rid of the chapped dryness. And a lot of products that claim to be moisturizing can't actually do that, but I have found a lot of success with lip oils actually being hydrating enough for me. So I'm very excited to put this one to the test. So I got this in the shade Sweetie, and I think this is really pretty nice packaging, especially for a $2 product. Let's see what the applicator looks like. Oh, it's that rounded tip paddle applicator. I'm a little surprised. I was expecting a doe foot, but I like a paddle applicator like this as well. Ooh, ooh. Oh, at first I thought that was going to smell good. It smells exactly like medicine. Gosh, it smells like a bubblegum flavored Benadryl liquid formula that you can see it brings back like a terrible nostalgic reaction to me because I hated having to take that medicine, and this is exactly what it smells like. Oh, that's bad. I mean, the smell wouldn't be so bad if I didn't have that nostalgic like connection to this smell. So normally I like the smell of LA Colors lip products, and normally I love when there is a scent to my lip products, but this one, it's just not good for me. Ooh. Isn't that wild too? Like, I probably haven't taken the liquid formula of Benadryl in 25 years, probably, and I still remember. It's funny. But okay, my lips are very dry, so let's see how this is on them. Okay, yeah, and it's completely clear. I was maybe gonna swatch it on my hand, but it's totally clear, so no color to it, but ooh, definitely some shine. A nice slippy formula. I find that lip oils are less sticky, more like glide on slippy feel than lip glosses, which I prefer the lip oil texture over a sticky lip gloss. And so that whole like gold flake, gold infused claim, it's not like there's gold pieces on my lips. I think that's just kind of a fun little touch. There's actually no shimmer either. It's just great high shine. And it is moisturizing. It's helped to smooth out the appearance of lips, and there is no chapped, dry areas or visible dryness on my lips at all anymore, and that's what I was really hoping for. It would be cool if this had a color to it. I really don't have any like super tinted or super colored or pigmented lip oils. I know there's lots of lip glosses like that, but if you have any favorite lip oils that have a color to them, please let me know about those in the comments down below, because that sounds like something I would love, since I love lip oils and I love to put a color on my lips. But sometimes if it's like a pigmented lip gloss and it's not moisturizing enough, it'll really cling to the dry patches and create bad texture. But I think a lip oil with color could look so pretty. I'm even contemplating now mixing in like a lipstick or a liquid lipstick in with a lip oil like this to get that same effect. which you could definitely use this as a lip topper as well because it has that pretty shine and that hydration. I am really happy with this, and it just goes to show how you do not have to spend a lot of money on lip products to get that full hydration, beautiful shine. And so I find myself comparing those expensive and high-end products to products like this that I think work perfectly. So I just can't get behind a lip oil that costs 10 times as much as this, that is not as hydrating or not as shiny. So if you want a hydrating, shiny lip product, this is a great inexpensive option in my opinion. I just wish it didn't have that smell that was so triggering for me. If it had like a lovely scent, this would be perfect. But now that it's on my lips, I can't even smell it, so that's not going to stop me from using this. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.